Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I am doing a FashionNova swimwear try-on haul. I'm so excited for this because I have worked with FashionNova since like way back, and now we are restarting a collab, so thank you FashionNova for sponsoring this video. I've always really liked their pieces. They always have super trendy pieces. They're always very on top of it. So I have lots and lots of bikinis today. They're all really pretty. A lot of the ones that I chose are super sparkly and they're just absolutely freaking gorgeous. So I'm just gonna get started. This is so glam. I love this. I got most of my bikinis in a small. I did get some in medium just because I know that they're not gonna fit the girls. If you guys do have bigger girls, I definitely recommend that you guys size up to a medium. This suit here is absolutely stunning. So it just kind of like goes down like this. The back is actually very conservative, so if you guys can see right there. And I definitely really appreciate the coverage just because sometimes you don't want to always be showing too much, you know? When we thought it couldn't get any cuter, it does come with a garter set. I know, it's so cute. So basically just wrap this around and you have the garter, so you put this over your legs. So freaking cute, so glittery. The fact that this is the very first bikini, we have like dozens more. Okay, now let's go on to the next one. So here's the second set and it is so freaking pretty. I feel like I could wear this like to Palm Springs, around the palm trees. This would be such a cute little vibe, or even in like a tropical area, this would be super freaking cute. You guys can see that the top is kind of like swung over. You have a peephole right there. You have the crossing. And then also for the back, we do have a little bit less coverage. It does show a little bit more, but it's definitely not a thong. It's more cheeky vibes. Okay, this one is so cute. I want to continue saying that throughout the whole video, but I'm just covering under because I think I got a size too small. With the girlies, we probably have to get like a large. I'm a 32 double D, and I think that's a lie honestly, because even those like fit me kind of small. So I'm gonna have to go and find out what my real size is. I'm gonna be terrified if I'm anything bigger than a double D because I can't. But other than that, this is what the top looks like. It is so shiny. Like, this lighting, this video doesn't make it any justice. Imagine this in the sun. No, I would scream. But then the bottoms, like you can see, they are so freaking pretty. They're like a low cut type situation, and then the side straps are just super sparkly. And for the booty, you guys can see that this one is also cheeky. It is a little bit thinner, but it's still not considered really a thong. I love these types of bikinis. The ones with the clear straps are just super cute, and they're just so much better to tan in, I feel like, because the sun can actually go through the straps. But this red color is everything. I've been obsessed with red. Red is just so juicy, so fiery. I just feel like you always stand out with red. It's such a statement color, so this I'm obsessed with. Of course, it is like very see-through. This is definitely one of my favorites out of like the plainer ones I did pick up. And then here's the back. You guys can see this one does have like more coverage, but it looks like you don't have as much just because the sides are fully clear. Like I said, I love these. They're amazing. Y'all, shut the duck up. Like, do you guys see the situation going on? And then the lining on the sides with the chains, oh my gosh, up freaking says. It makes you look extra tan than you already are. The fact that this is like so inexpensive, love. And for the bottoms, they are just like the classic little stringy ones. And then the booty does go actually pretty high up, so it's just gonna really accentuate your booty, make it look a little bit bigger. So this two-piece here is a really good alternative if you're gonna be around family, but still super cute. So this is just what this little two-piece looks like. Like, we're covered if you guys can see that. And this is the top here. You guys can either have it down or have it all the way up, and you can even like mix and match these pieces to make it like an outfit. So you can even wear this with some jeans, a skirt, make it a whole different outfit, so you really have like a billion in one. Okay, no, because shut the duck up. This is so freaking juicy. Look at the detail. Look at the freaking detail. It's sparkly. The material feels so good. It's like a cottony material. My goodness, look at the straps on the bottom. And this is about how much booty the back shows, but and it comes with a freaking headband, like chef's freaking kiss. Now look at this cute little orange one. She's all cute and sparkly. We love her. Oh my gosh, it's making it look like it's so much lighter than it actually is, but it is such a pretty orange color. Like, it's super bright. I don't know why, but this is also giving me like Paris Hilton in Miami vibes. Am I crazy for that? And then the bottoms here are stringy, and these are definitely a little thong moment. They're all pretty close to a thong moment. This sparkle, guys, I'm obsessed. Like, anything sparkly, I could look at it for 12 hours and not get bored. Shut the duck up. Look how pretty this one is. This is just a tiger one. The top actually does fit me a little bit better. I think that this one's a medium. This is what the back looks like. This one's also a stringy little moment. I love, I love, I love. At this point, I realized that I'm gonna be having way too much fun in the summertime. Like, now here's the next one. Obviously, we know I love this one because it is a neon pink. And it also has like the little jewel moments. Oh my goodness, guys. Like, as you guys can see, I went crazy with absolutely anything that was crystal on their site. Here are the bottoms. They literally look the same as the top, but can we just get a moment? Can we get a moment for this whole collection? Of course, another cutesy little clear one. This one has like holographic vibes to it. This one's so cute. Like, I could only imagine how pretty this would be in the sun. All of these would make you gleam. You'd be the center of attention at any pool party in the future. And then here we have the bottoms. These are super cute. It looks like these straps wouldn't be so comfortable, but they're actually very comfortable. They kind of like stick to your skin, so I feel like I'm gonna be secure like throughout the whole day. And now for the very last set that I have to show you guys from FashionNova is this cute little blue tie-dye bikini. I need to find a new word rather than to say cute. Gorgeous. And if you already think that this is super cute, a moment for the skirt. How cute. Like, this is giving me blue Lilo vibes. No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed. Alright, y'all, so that is it for today's FashionNova swimsuit haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I think my favorite definitely probably has to be the cheetah with the sparkles on it. The clear ones are also some of my favorites, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video.